Intro music playing upbeat and energizing. Hey, fitness lovers and smoothie enthusiasts, welcome back to Fitness Feast. Today we're blending up something truly special, delicious and nutritious smoothies that are perfect for any time of the day. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout pick-me-up or a refreshing snack, I've got you covered with these easy, healthy smoothie recipes. Let's get blending. Here's what you'll need for our smoothie creations. Feel free to mix and match based on your preferences and what you have on hand. First up, we've got a Berry Bliss Smoothie. It's packed with antioxidants and perfect for a refreshing start to your day. Listen up, you donkey. This ain't rocket science. We're starting with a cup of mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you fancy. Don't be shy, get them in there. Now a banana, a ripe one, mind you. None of that green rubbish. We want sweetness, not bitterness. A dollop of yogurt, Greek or natural, your choice. This adds a bit of tang and creaminess, a splash of almond milk. You can use any milk you like, but almond milk keeps it light. And a teaspoon of chia seeds for that extra boost of omega-3s. Good for the brain, you hear? Now blitz it. Blend it until it's smooth like silk. No chunky bits, you hear? This ain't a bloody stew, give it a taste. Not sweet enough? Add a drizzle of honey. Need more zing? A squeeze of lemon will do the trick. And there you have it. The Berry Bliss Smoothie. It's so good, it's bloody brilliant. Now stop drooling and get blending. Next up, something green and tropical. You don't want to miss this. Next, we're making a tropical green smoothie. It's like a vacation in a glass with a boost of greens. Imagine sipping this on a sunny beach, feeling the cool breeze. All right, you lot, let's turn up the heat with this tropical green smoothie. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. It's healthy, refreshing, and won't leave you feeling like a bloated walrus. Instead, you'll feel light, energized, and ready to take on the day. Look at these vibrant ingredients. They're not just pretty, they're packed with nutrients. First, a handful of spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins. Don't turn your nose up at me, it's packed with iron and you won't even taste it. Trust me, it's the secret to a healthy smoothie. Make sure to wash the spinach thoroughly. We want it clean and fresh. Now for the tropical twist. This is where the magic happens. A cup of chopped mango, the king of fruits, some say. It adds a creamy texture and natural sweetness. Make sure the mango is ripe. It should be slightly soft to the touch. Half a cup of pineapple chunks. This fruit is not only delicious, but also great for digestion. Make sure it's fresh, none of that canned rubbish. Fresh pineapple has a vibrant flavor that canned just can't match. A knob of ginger. This little root packs a punch, just a touch, mind you. We want a hint of spice, not a fire alarm. Ginger adds a nice kick and is great for your immune system. Grate it finely to ensure it blends well. A squeeze of lime juice. This citrus fruit is a game changer. It cuts through the sweetness and adds a bit of zing. Lime is also packed with vitamin C. Make sure to get every last drop of that tangy goodness. Top it off with coconut water. This is the ultimate tropical ingredient. It's naturally sweet and full of electrolytes. Perfect after a workout, you hear? It keeps you hydrated and adds a subtle sweetness. Now blitz it. Blend it until everything is smooth and well combined. Blend it until it's smooth and vibrant. We want a taste of the tropics, not a swamp. The color should be a bright, inviting green. Give it a taste. Adjust the flavors if needed. Not sweet enough, add a drizzle of honey. It's a natural sweetener that complements the fruits. Need more zing? Another squeeze of lime will do the trick. Balance is key. Adjust to your liking. This smoothie is all about personal preference. There you have it, the tropical green smoothie, a perfect blend of health and taste. It's so good it'll transport you straight to a beach. Close your eyes and imagine the waves. Now get blending and stop staring at me. Your tropical paradise awaits in a glass. Chapter 3. Protein Power Smoothie. For those post-workout days or when you need a protein boost, try our Protein Power Smoothie. It's not just any smoothie, it's a powerhouse of nutrients designed to fuel your body and keep you energized. Listen up, you lot. This ain't your average smoothie. This is a game changer. This is the Protein Power Smoothie. It's packed with protein to rebuild those muscles after a killer workout. Whether you're lifting weights or running marathons, this smoothie has got your back. No more excuses for skipping leg day. Fuel up and power through. First up, a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This is the foundation of our smoothie. Whey, casein, soy, whatever tickles your fancy. Each type has its own benefits, so choose wisely. Just make sure it's a quality one, not some cheap rubbish. Quality matters when it comes to fueling your body. Next, a dollop of Greek yogurt. This adds a creamy texture and an extra protein punch. It's packed with protein and gives the smoothie a creamy texture. Plus, it's great for your gut health. Now, a handful of spinach. Don't even think about complaining, it's full of iron and you won't even taste it. Trust me, it's a sneaky way to get your greens in. It's full of iron and you won't even taste it. It blends right in, giving you all the benefits without the taste. A tablespoon of peanut butter. This adds healthy fats and a delicious nutty flavor. It's full of healthy fats and adds a delicious nutty flavor. Make sure it's natural, none of that sugary crap. Make sure it's natural, none of that sugary crap. Your body deserves the best. A banana for sweetness and potassium. It's nature's candy and it's crucial for muscle recovery. It's crucial for muscle recovery, you hear? Plus, it adds a natural sweetness. And finally, a splash of almond milk to bring it all together. This keeps the smoothie light and dairy-free. You can use any milk you like, but almond milk keeps it light. Now, blitz it! Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. No lumps, you hear? This ain't baby food, give it a taste. Not sweet enough? Add a drizzle of honey, add a drizzle of honey. Need more flavor? A dash of cinnamon will do the trick. A dash of cinnamon will do the trick. There you have it, the Protein Power Smoothie. It's so good, it'll make you want to hit the gym twice. It's so good, it'll make you want to hit the gym twice. Now get blending and stop slacking. Now, get blending and stop slacking. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4, Green Detox Smoothie. Our fourth smoothie is a green detox smoothie. It's great for cleansing and gives you a boost of energy. All right, you lot. Time to clean up your act with this green detox smoothie. It's like a power wash for your insides, but 1,000 times tastier. First up, a handful of kale. It's the king of greens, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Don't even think about using iceberg lettuce, you hear? Next, a cucumber. It's hydrating and helps flush out toxins. Make sure you peel it, we don't want a bitter smoothie. A green apple for sweetness and fiber. It'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. A stalk of celery. It's full of electrolytes and helps reduce bloating. Don't be shy, get the whole stalk in there. A squeeze of lemon juice. It's alkalizing and helps detoxify the liver. Plus, it adds a refreshing citrusy flavor. And finally, a cup of water. You can use coconut water if you prefer, but plain water does the trick. Now blitz it, blend it until it's smooth and vibrant green. We want a smoothie, not a swamp monster. Give it a taste. Not sweet enough? Add a drizzle of honey or a few dates. Need more zing? Another squeeze of lemon will do the trick. There you have it. The green detox smoothie. It's so good, you'll be glowing from the inside out. Now get blending and detoxify those taste buds. Chapter 5. Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. And finally, for a treat that feels indulgent but is still nutritious, try our chocolate peanut butter smoothie. All right, you lot. This one's for those days when you're craving something naughty but don't want to completely derail your healthy eating. This chocolate peanut butter smoothie is so good it's almost criminal. It's like having dessert for breakfast but without the guilt. First up, a frozen banana. It's the base of our smoothie and gives it a creamy ice cream-like texture. The frozen banana adds natural sweetness and thickness, making it feel like a treat. Next, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Make sure it's natural, none of that sugary crap. We want flavor and healthy fats, not a sugar rush. Peanut butter adds a rich, nutty flavor and a dose of protein to keep you satisfied. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, the unsweetened kind, mind you. We're going for rich chocolate flavor, not a sugar bomb. Cocoa powder is packed with antioxidants and gives that deep chocolatey taste we all love. A splash of almond milk. You can use any milk you like, but almond milk keeps it light and nutty. It also adds a subtle creaminess without overpowering the other flavors. A teaspoon of chia seeds for that extra boost of omega-3s. Good for the brain and keeps you feeling full. Chia seeds also add a bit of texture and a nutritional punch, and a pinch of salt. Trust me on this one, it enhances the chocolate flavor and cuts through the sweetness. Now, blitz it, blend it until it's smooth, creamy, and utterly irresistible. You want all the ingredients to meld together into a luscious velvety drink. We want a smoothie that's so good you'll want to lick the blender clean. Give it a taste. Not sweet enough? Add a drizzle of honey or a few dates. Need more chocolate? Another tablespoon of cocoa powder won't hurt. There you have it. The chocolate peanut butter smoothie. It's so good it's sinful. You can even top it with a bit of whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of peanut butter for that extra touch of decadence. Now get blending and indulge yourself. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a healthy dessert. Enjoy every sip. Outro until next time on Fitness Feast. And there you have it. 5 fantastic and healthy smoothie recipes that are easy to make and full of flavor. Whether you're looking for something fruity, green, or a bit indulgent, these smoothies have got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Fitness Feast for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.